Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how to find your recorded meetings into Zoom. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to find your recorded meetings into Zoom, you just simply have to open your Zoom Workplace application into your computer. And now, after opening the Zoom Workplace, you will see so many options into this homepage. Now, among them, you will also see this option of open recordings at the right side. Just simply click into that open recordings option, and after clicking into the open recordings, you will get cloud recordings and local recordings option. If you have cloud recording from your Zoom, it will show in this tab, and if you have local recordings of your Zoom meeting, it will show here. You can also delete and convert from here. By following this very easy process, you can easily find your recorded meetings into your Zoom. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.